It's class project time, yay! Or boo, depending on your outlook. This one's a nice and easy one, so I want you to do what we did before. The last video, I want you to change the color of something. Okay, so using the curves/hue saturation curves. Okay, I want you to completely change the color. So I want you to find your own example. Okay, so use pixels again, or anything you like. If you've got something lying around, I don't want to give you examples because we end up with everybody doing the exact same thing. And what I want you to do is go to videos, and in this trending one, just find one that is, you want to find one that is easy to change. Let's say that if I wanted to change this here, I wanted to change the color of the sweatshirt or t-shirt. The problem is it's very close to the skin tone. So I'm going to have loads of problems. I'm going to show you later on when we get a bit more skills on how to like separate and mask and stuff. But for the moment, look for a distinctive color. I could change the blue in there. Okay, but look for something that's kind of unique. Where is something unique? Like there, blue coat, blue bike, that would change, or the red mailbox. That would be easy to change because it's pink and it's all by itself. In here, there's a couple of good colors to change. So find something that you want to change the color of. Okay, bring it into Premiere Pro and change the color using this technique. And I want you to do a before and after screenshot, okay, and show me the befores and afters. So it's all listed in your class projects. Anything else I've missed? Yeah, so make sure you upload it as part of the assignments/project section. And also, on top of that, share on social media your before and after. Here are the different places to find me and the different groups that Bring Your Laptop inhabit. All right, so that's your not homework, your fun, exciting project. I will see you in the next video.